He's way the long way. It's gonna go flying.
Hey, what's going on, dudes and dudettes? I know it's been a super long time since I made any videos. Just been real super busy with work. I'm gonna try to make this video or this part short. That way we can get back to showing you the cool jumps and whatever other videos I tossed in there. Yeah, just been busy with work. Been on the road for the past year and a half. Been busy there. I got a new place. Moved. So a lot's been going on, but I mean, I finally got a chance, you know, with the COVID-19 stuff, they got us working a little bit closer to home, so we got a little bit more free time. Hopefully, you know, I can start making some more YouTube videos for you guys. I just want to really quick show you guys, I've been in the Nitro itch here lately. Been running the Revo and the Jado, and I picked up something brand new. It's from 2008, but the Revo Platinum. Just wanted to show you guys this real quick. I'll be breaking it in. I'm waiting for a bump start because I do not want to get rid of this plate. It's so sweet. I don't know if you guys can see TRX. I don't want to put a pull start or an easy start there, so anyway, this is the Revo Platinum. It's a little bit different than your standard Revo. Oh, yeah, standard Revo right there. The Platinum, it's got the Platinum body, chassis, a little bit bigger gas tank, red anodized toe links, turning buckles, sway bar kit in the front, sway bar kit in the back. It's got dual brakes. It's got brakes here, brakes there, and a brake here in the back. It's got a little bit different transmission setup. I don't know if it's made to go faster. Anyway, this is my new puppy. And check out the paint job I did on the UDR. Pretty sweet, looks like the monster. I know it's been a while since I made any videos. I don't know. I know I didn't have this. I had the Slash, but I'm turning it into a speedrun car. I didn't have these, the crawlers. Man, if you guys, crawling is so much fun. Like, I should have got a crawler a long time ago. Anyway, let's get back to these videos. The bash wall. Here's the new spot, guys, basically. So I forgot to mention real quick, a lot of my videos that I have been posting, I do have an Instagram channel if you guys want to check that out. It's Wyatt RC. It's same name. It's just Instagram's a little bit easier for me to post because I don't have to edit them. You know, I can make short little cool videos and then boom. And I might start doing that with my YouTube channel anyway. So go check that out. And if you're still watching and you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I'll be posting more to come. All right, thanks guys. Peace.
Okay. You ready? Yeah. Go. guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah! Trying to jump Gerson. One, go.
Right where?
Right there.
Did you get there?
Yeah, I think so. Ready?